Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and today we are reviewing the brand new Rizos Curls Gel. Y'all, I cannot tell you how long we've been waiting for this gel to come out. I have been an avid lover and user of the Rizos Curls products. The curl defining cream itself is like one of my holy grails and I've been using them since they launched. And I've been dying and asking Julissa, when are we getting a gel? Because the rest of their product line just gives so much moisture, makes your curls look so juicy, and we just needed this. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be reviewing it. So first things first, this packaging actually stands out from their other products. Their other products have the white and black labels that look like this, but their signature color is this pink. So I actually think it's really cute that they made their entire bottle this beautiful pink with the logo, of course, that they always use, and it's a light hold gel. So normally when I use a gel, I like to use a strong hold gel so that my hair can hold up and hold the definition for at least a few days. I wash my hair maybe every 5 to 7 days, so I would like it to last for the week. So I found it really interesting that they launched with a light hold gel, but nonetheless, my hopes are high because we love Rizos Curls. This gel has aloe, flaxseed, and thyme. It's also no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens as their other products are. They are considered curly girl friendly. It says it's made with naturally derived ingredients, 95%. And this is a 8-ounce bottle. So for $19.99, you are getting an 8-ounce bottle of gel. It feels pretty, pretty hefty. Like, I feel like I would get enough uses out of this gel. So I'm also going to be trying it out today with the curl defining cream, give you guys my first impressions, the smell, the hold, the consistency. So let's pop it open and see what we think. All right, so I'm gonna start on freshly washed hair. It's already been shampooed and conditioned. I haven't done anything to it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start out by wetting it a little bit more with my water bottle so I can get started with the styling process. Okay, my hair I'm going to kind of let it part in the way that I want to go, just because I find that it gives me a little bit more volume. So I'm going to begin with their Rizos Curl Defining Cream. And this is a 10-ounce bottle. It has aloe, coconut oil, and shea. It's also, like I said, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. And it has performed really, really well in my hair before. The thing that I also want to see is how it's going to pair with the Rizos Curls Gel. From what I understand, just watching some of their content on Instagram, is that this cream is made to perform really well with the Rizos Curls Gel, which I find to be such a relief, because sometimes I find that some companies, they'll make a product line, but then some of their creams, their gels, or even oils don't mix well with each other, which is bizarre to me, because you would want people to buy your cream and your gel and your oil to mix well with each other. But we're gonna see how this one does. So I put about this amount to go on one side of my hair. And the thing I love about this cream is that it's definitely leaves my curls very juicy, very defined, and I can refresh with the curl defining cream on the next day and it's not heavy. I'm also going to add just a little bit more to the back of my hair so that I'm not leaving any definition unaccounted for. Shh. Okay, so now that my cream is all in my hair, next I'm going to use the Rizos Curls Light Hold Gel. And I'm opening this up with you guys. Like, I haven't even smelled it or anything. I didn't even do an unboxing because I wanted to show you guys how excited I am about this and open it up with you guys. So here's the little top. Let me see. Let's see what it smells like. So that's the first thing I've been dying to figure out. Oops. Popped a little thing in my mouth. I don't think I'm getting a... It's not heavily scented, so it's kind of hard for me to pick something up from here. So let me see. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. It's not running down fast or anything, so that's good. It's telling me that it's gonna have a little bit of a hold. It's not runny, so it's not like water where it's just like gonna disappear in my hair. It has like a light tint of yellow. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not white or clear. And as you can see, I've been holding it here for quite a while on my hand, and look, it's not running down. So I think it's going to be a good consistency that's going to provide hold, even though it's a light hold gel. Scent, I would say it's very lightly scented. Like very light. You could barely pick anything up just by smelling it on first hand. So actually that's not bad, because for a lot of the girls that don't like a lot of fragrance and, you know, just like your products, you know, pretty much no scent, this is good for you. But it has a very light, like airy scent, which I love. I like my products to have some type of scent to it, because then, you know, it's like having perfume in your hair. Everywhere you go, people smell and they're like, you have perfume? And you're like, no, it's my curls. But yeah, so let's go ahead and put a good amount onto my hand so that I can get it into my hair. So that's about how much I'm gonna use. Oh, here we go. All right, we have some runny action going on once I actually got like a good amount on there. Okay, so I'm going to apply that to this side of my hair. So let's see how that performs. So initially, this is my very first time obviously using this product. I'm curious because depending on the product itself, sometimes you need to try it more than once to get the right consistency, the right amount. You can either, like I do, heavy hand the product and then kind of weigh your hair down, or sometimes you didn't use enough and then it doesn't give you enough hold. So I'm actually very curious to see how my hair is going to turn out after using this new gel. So now that the product I feel like has been, you know, applied all over my hair, I'm just going to use my Felicia Leatherwood brush to comb through to make sure that everything is evenly distributed, and then we'll go ahead and scrunch. Okay, so I'm just going to flip my head over and scrunch so that I can start to see if this is going to give me any definition. Normally I like to apply a little bit of gel onto my hand when I'm going to scrunch, just to kind of like, you know, not apply it with dry hands. So I'm just going to add a little bit of gel onto my hands and then scrunch up. Gel quiet. Okay, so my hair is scrunched already, and I'm gonna let it air dry for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, and then I'll go ahead and diffuse and show you guys my final results. I cannot wait to see, you know, what this is gonna turn out like. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this gel forever, so I'm excited. So stay with me. Okay, so now that I've air dried, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the diffusing process. And for you guys that haven't followed me on Instagram, you know that I recently got the Dyson for Christmas, and I am so excited that I did, because this is like a highly, you know, like it's a coveted item that I've been dying to get for the longest time. I won't be showing the entire diffusing process. I actually am thinking about doing a Dyson video separately. But if you do need a updated diffusing routine, I do have one. I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here so that you guys can see what that process looks like, and I have a link to that dryer in that video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the diffusing process and see how this all turns out. Okay guys, so we're back and this is my hair completely diffused. Right now it has a light cast to it, which I really enjoy because it tells me that there is going to be definition that lasts. Typically with a light hold gel, sometimes they may not have a cast at all. Whenever you're diffusing, you'll see that the hair is really soft and it's already, you know, pretty much no cast to break or scrunch. So I'm really happy that this has a cast to it. So right now I'm just going to use a little bit of the Olaplex number 7 oil, the 7 bonding oil, to go ahead and scrunch out the crunch. I'm going to take a couple drops like that and go ahead and break that cast. Okay, for me, I also like to break the cast upside down so I can get all the way to the back of my head. And at that point, I fluff to kind of like create, you know, that voluminous effect and get any hair that may have been stuck to my scalp off, and pretty much just stimulate my follicles so that they can grow, or my hair can grow. So guys, these are my final results, fluffed out and everything. First of all, I'm loving the definition that I'm getting from this, and it's a light hold gel. There's no like heavy feeling to my hair. I don't feel that it's weighed down at all. And not only that, but the cast, so it's scrunched out really good. Like I don't feel like I have any more cast in my hair, but I don't feel like my hair is gonna drop tomorrow either. So I love the feel of the gel. I'm really liking the fact that my hair still looks moisturized, even with the gel, so it's not drying. I love what you did with it, Julissa. Like it's a yes for me, girl. This is a good gel, and I love how much you get out of it too, that it's an 8-ounce thing of gel for $20. I mean, you cannot beat that. And Rizos Curls, yeah, always having good sales and packages anyway, so I love it. So on their Rizos Curls page, it does say that the aloe vera is deeply moisturizing and regenerating and naturally improves hair and scalp health, which, as I mentioned, I love aloe vera in products. I think it just gives such a moisturizing, juicy look to your curls, and it has so many natural benefits. It also has flaxseed, which nourishes the hair, boosts shine, and we can see the curls are shiny. And it improves curl definition, which I definitely have a lot of definition, and it protects hair and scalp with vitamin E. Feels good so far. I'm not feeling any itchy scalp or anything like that, so perfect, loving it. Arginine, so it minimizes hair loss. Girl, I'm here for it. By protecting the hair from damage, reducing hair breakage, and supporting the hair's moisture barrier. All of that sounds good to me. And then it also has thyme. So thyme promotes healthy hair growth, anti-inflammatory, and it's soothing to the scalp. So thank you so much, Julissa, I mean, for taking the time. And I know that we've been harassing you to come out with this gel, and you wanted to like perfect it. And you did a great job, girl. I'm loving the gel. It feels really good in my hair. And I'm the one that's always looking for a good gel, so approved. It's Jackie approved, and I would definitely repurchase this again once it runs out. I'm loving it so far. I love how much it comes for the price point. The packaging is gorgeous. So I'm in love. I like it. Thank you so much, Julissa and the Rizos Curls team, for all the time that you put into this. Definitely a plus. And y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. And if you want to see how this keeps up, you know, for the next 2, 3, 4 days, or however many days it lasts, you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram to get those details. So make sure that you're following JustlikeJackies on Instagram to get daily tips, tricks, and updates on any product reviews. And then I was also thinking about this. I don't have a full Rizos Curls product line review on its own, like the shampoo, deep conditioner, and the refresh and detangle. I don't have any of that, so I'm gonna have to do another Rizos Curl review on the actual product line. So stay tuned for that. Make sure that you guys are subscribed, hit that notification bell so that you get more videos like this to your inbox. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think of my results and what you'd love to see next time.
Excuse me, this video is not over yet.
Oh, it's not over.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye guys.